In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit files in Dropbox with this step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Now, Dropbox is a cloud storage service that makes file storage and sharing simple and accessible from virtually anywhere. But you might be wondering how to edit those files you have stored in it. Well, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be an expert in doing so. First, you'll need to start by heading over to Dropbox.com and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. This is your centralized hub where you can access all your stored files. It's worth spending a moment familiarizing yourself with this area since it's where you'll initiate most actions. Now navigate to locate the specific file you wish to edit. Dropbox organizes files into folders much like a traditional filing cabinet, so you can expand folders and subfolders to find your desired document. Once you've located the file, give it a click. This action will open the file in preview mode, which essentially means you can view the contents of the file without making any changes just yet. From here, you'll notice an Open With option. This is a crucial step because it determines which application you'll use to edit your document. Dropbox is versatile, allowing you to choose between several editing tools. If your file is an Office document like a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, you have the option to open it with Microsoft's online suite, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint Online. This is great if you're accustomed to Microsoft's interface and features. Alternatively, if you lean towards Google Workspace for your editing needs, you can open the document with Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, which is perfect for collaborative editing due to Google's sharing capabilities. However, if your document is a Dropbox native file, selecting Dropbox Paper might be the way to go, as it's seamlessly integrated with other Dropbox features. Once your choice is made and you've opened the document in your preferred editor, you can start making your desired changes. Thanks to cloud technology, any edits you make are automatically saved back to Dropbox. This feature is incredible for preventing data loss and ensuring your documents are always up to date. You can rest easy knowing that you don't have to worry about clicking save every few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully edited a file in Dropbox, ensuring your data remains organized and easily shareable. Understanding these steps can dramatically improve your efficiency and collaboration within Dropbox platform. With this knowledge, you can now approach your documents with confidence, knowing you have the tools to make any necessary edits efficiently. Thanks for following along and happy editing.